And I'm gonna show y'all how to finesse a ponytail without having a 360 lace. I'm here for the girls. I'm doing this for the culture. You know what I mean? Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie Jean if you're new here, and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? In today's video, I'm going to be styling this kinky straight wig that I got sent by Yolissa Hair. It came with some cute little eyelashes, a headband, some goodies. But I've already washed it and I allowed it to air dry overnight. It's about 98% dry. And I absolutely love the texture on the hair. It is so pretty. But in order to get the style that we want to do today, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry the hair out using my Chi blow dryer with the little brush attachment. I love this thing. I got it on Amazon. Real nice. Got it at Target. If you know the movie reference, comment it down below. But I'm going to use this to blow dry the hair out and get it a little bit silkier before we go in with the flat iron. This is the Nano Titanium Fabulous Pro flat iron. I love this. Got this from Amazon as well, and it's really good at straightening out the hair. Y'all know that I love kinky straight hair, but it's a few tips and tricks that I have for working with the texture that I want to share with you guys. Anyway, without all the rambling, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial because I need to get my hair done and get up out of here. I have a finesse little ponytail up top, but the true tea is my hair is braided in the back because I've been wearing V-part wigs this week. So just don't look. Just do not look because it's an illusion at this point. I'm using the Organics Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Mist just to give the hair a little bit of shine, and then we're gonna go ahead and blow it out. Okay, so I have the hair sectioned out. This is about a third of it on the bottom, and I've already blow dried it out pretty well. The next thing that I want to do is go ahead and straighten the hair while it's on the mannequin head. It's just a lot easier so I can really see what I'm doing and make sure I'm not missing any spots. Kinky straight hair is one of my absolute favorite hair textures to wear straightened or curled, especially for a U-part wig or V-part, because it just blends really well. But one thing that makes it extremely difficult to work with is the kinky, kind of crinkly roots. For a big wand curl look, it's beautiful. It works perfectly, but when you want to wear your hair straight, it can be a little stressful to get rid of. What I like to do is take really small sections, and first I go in with my hot comb and I press out those crinkly roots. And I'm talking about pressing, baby. That's another reason why I don't want to do it on my mannequin head or near my hair for that matter, because I don't want to put this much heat on my natural hair. But already you can see how big of a difference that is. The roots on this side and the roots on this side, night and day. Okay, so now that we have the roots pressed out on both sides, I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and we're gonna just straighten the hair all the way down to the tip. That process is gonna give you that really silky, silk pressed finish. As you can see, it's all free flowing and juicy on this side, and this side just needs to be straightened. I'm trying to show you guys so it's a little awkward, but I like to chase the flat iron with a comb, and I don't know, it just does something. I feel like it keeps the hair nice and straight as it's getting flat ironed, so you don't have any lumps or bumps. Everything just gets really silky. And this should be the finished product. I'm going to go ahead and do this process all the way up the head, and I'm checking with you guys a little bit later so we can actually start working on installing the wig, because I have a really cute idea for how I want to wear it. And And I'm gonna show y'all how to finesse a ponytail without having a 360 lace. I'm here for the girls. I'm doing this for the culture. You know what I mean? So I have the wig pressed out, it's flat ironed and ready to go, and now we have to get my hair together. I have the front of my hair blow dried and clean, but the back is in braids. I've been wearing V-part wigs and U-part wigs all week, so it doesn't really make sense for me to have the back down because it's never out. I just leave the front down so I can kind of switch between side and middle parts. Oh my god, that feels so good. Woo! Okay, I think I'm gonna go for a side part today, but before we can get into that, I need to kind of part my edges out. We're doing a updo, so I'm leaving a little bit more edges out than I normally would. Alright, so the edges are parted out. Now we gotta kind of figure out how much hair to leave out. This wig is a U-part wig and I believe that it's 18 inches. I'll put all the details about the hair below in the description bar. I'm just gonna kind of place it on my head to get an idea. Okay, so I tested it out and it works, so I can go ahead and braid the hair up. I kind of just finessed it back into a clip to see if the wig would sit right. Okay, so now that I figured out how much hair I need to leave out, I'm gonna just braid the rest of my hair in the front into 3 braids, 1 on this side and 2 on this side. This wig is attached with all clips, so I wanna make sure that my edges where the clips will be attached are pretty loose. So I don't wanna do too many braids. I want my hair to be laid, but I also want my hair to be really comfortable because I might wear this style for a couple of days.
You want me home, I get you what you want, but you want me alone, baby, I get you what you want, but you want me home, I get you what you want, but you want me alone.
Okay, so I have the braids finessed some type of way. Now it's time to go ahead and apply the wig. I have the clips on the loosest attachment just because I don't want the wig to fit too tightly, and I'm going to go ahead and loosen all of the clips so we can go ahead and apply the wig. Okay, I think I want my part to give side swoopity swoop. So I really like how this is sitting so far. I'm going to go ahead and finish pressing out my natural hair so they can blend a little bit better, and then we can work on the styling. Okay, so my natural hair is blending in really, really well with the extensions. The blend is perfect, but I tried it with the 3 braids. Girl, I look like Debo. Look at the hump. Yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and adjust my braiding pattern, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I style the hair to get the cute little updo. Okay, so now it's time to do the styling, and I'm not gonna lie, I've never done this before, but I feel like it's possible. And if it's possible, I can figure it out. So this is what it would look like if you just went ahead and wore it kinky straight. Of course, you could throw some baby hairs on it, but I wanna wait until the end of the styling to do that. So it's about to get a little quiet. I hope y'all enjoy the music, and I'm about to try to figure out how to finesse this so it'll look the way that I want it to. Okay, so this is the finished look. A cute little side part updo with a U-part wig. I'm so happy I figured this out because I didn't want to keep having to flat iron all of my hair to do this look. I only have a little bit of leave out, but it is giving, and I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Something about the long swoop is doing it for me. Let me show you guys the back because that's the real tea. The real tea is the back, and I double checked it in the mirror. It looks great. Okay, so I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Make sure that you're subscribed so that you see the next upload because it's gonna be chef's kiss, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, babes.